We've used this almost every day of the build, and it's kept going, and the battery life has been excellent. One feature of the saw that I particularly like is that the laser is actually mounted at the front. Other saws that I've used have had the laser mounted at the back, and it tends to get clogged up with sawdust and any other rubbish that's coming off the blade. One other thing I like about this piece of equipment is it's light enough just to carry around site with you. You can make cuts in the back of your van. If you're fitting a floor, you can take it into the room and do your floor cuts wherever you're working. And also, when we want to tilt it over, nice smooth action, and we can lock it in place if we're doing bevel cuts. All in all, a nice, powerful, compact, useful piece of kit to have on site.